you can make way more money teaching cooking than you can actually cooking. It's a different economy when you're talking about selling your knowledge online versus selling food products in person. So your like the revenue target that you put 5 to 10K a month. I like 10K a month minimum.
Mm-hmm.
The simple way to get that is with a cooking community that you charge access to. People pay you for instruction like what you're already doing. And to get to
Mm-hmm.
$10,000 a month, you could charge just 20 a month, which is the low end. 20 a month, you get 500 customers. That's your $10,000 a month right there. They're paying, and that's per month. So they're paying you $20 a month for this is, one video a week where you're doing instruction, or maybe you want to do a live stream, whatever it is you want to do. But you're building a subscription model business where they're paying you $20 a month and you get 500 people. There's your $10,000 a month. You get 1,000 people. That's $20,000 a month. You just continue growing it like that. And with a business like that, you will make so much more money than you make from making pickles, and it takes
Mm-hmm.
so much less time. You may adjust your objectives may shift once you get your uh, cooking community going and you start generating revenue from that, and you see how much easily that money comes in, earning a dollar that way versus earning a dollar from a catering gig and doing meal prep and all of that. So you can this is definitely going to your cooking show will support your marketing objectives for your existing businesses, your hot sauce, your catering, your meal prep. But it is a business in and of itself, in that you can create a paid cooking community, a training community, a community for foodies, whatever you want, whatever your vision of food education and entertainment is, you can create that and charge a monthly fee. And then it's just part of your job to go out and find people who are interested in that. And as they continue to sign up, your revenue continues to increase, but your workload does not continue to increase.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
yeah.
That's that's easy math. I understand that.
Yeah, it's basic math. This is what I tell people. It's just basic math. You pick your so we determine what your monthly fee is going to be, and then you start going out and getting people who want it, who want what you're offering and are willing to pay $20, $30, $50, depending on what it is you're offering. And then you just keep adding people. It's just basic math. This is
Mm.
the Netflix model. Everybody subscription model businesses are huge. You're just getting a lot of people to pay you a little bit of money and get and what they're getting is worth more than what they're paying. So the person that's paying $20 a month, that's getting 4 training sessions from you per month, that's five
Mm-hmm.
bucks a week. That's nothing.
Nothing, man.
That's
That's
nothing.
coffee. Cup of
Yeah.
coffee.
And like you're doing the kids classes too. A parent that has a kid that has expressed interest in a food career. They look like they're going to be a chef one day. There's nothing for mom and dad to sign them up for yours. You're a
Mm.
parent, so you have your kid friendly stuff in there. Like this is this is it's not a it's a simple way to make money. I won't say easy, because you do have to do the work. You have to show up every week, but it is not complicated in any way.
Mm. No, that's. It sounds. I mean, it's just. It makes sense. Is the best way to put it. It just makes sense. Like I don't want to. I don't want to overcomplicate it and
Yeah.
find a $10 word, but it's like you're right.